Today I show you how to switch from the main camera, the rear camera on your iPhone, to the front camera, this one, the front facing camera, the selfie camera. So the selfie camera or the front facing camera on iPhone, the front facing camera or the selfie camera is somewhere here. I think you can see it. It's in the dynamic island right there. And I'll show you right now. So I open the camera up and I have the video and photo modes. This works both in video and photo mode. And the option to switch cameras, you have it here. This is the switch. So now this is me. I don't know, it looks a bit delayed, or maybe it's just I look at the screen there. The screen there looks a bit delayed. This is me talking to you, and you can see me because I switched to this camera here, this little one. You can see my finger there. And you can switch back to the rear cameras with this icon. And in the rear cameras, you have the option where you can change lenses. So you can zoom in. You can zoom in a lot, but this is too close now because it's the telephoto camera. So to see the actual lens, you disable the macro mode. And now, because it's macro mode is disabled, you can't see really much detail. I have to put these things a little bit back. Let's see, 2x. Yeah, like this we can get a bit more detail, and I will take a picture. I will take a picture of this figurine, and then I'll take a picture of myself. Yeah, that's the tripod. That's the tripod. This is the tripod. Okay, so I took too many pictures, and this is dust on the lens. Maybe no, I don't think so. So this is the selfie picture, and I'll show you information about it. It's not a large photo because the camera quality is pretty low on the front camera, but it's okay, it's usable. And so many pictures, too many pictures. And this one is 12 megapixels, still a bit small, but still not this one is 12 megapixels, but it didn't need to be more because it's not much detail to show there. And okay, so we're back to the main camera, and I have here, this is high efficiency image codec. I can set it to a higher resolution, but it's not gonna change much because there is not much detail in this photo. The quality is automatically adjusted, so it will create. The quality is automatically adjusted, the size of the photo. If it needs to have more megapixels, it will have it. This one still has 12 megapixels, but I believe it's looking pretty good. The detail, you can get the detail of this thing really well. Like, wow, you can see really a lot of detail on it. I don't know these things, if they're good to have around. That's how this thing looks like. I'm not sure, maybe it's something with the camera. I'm not sure. But let's see here. Yeah, this one looks okay. So it's the quality of the rear camera is really good. The front camera also, it's very useful, especially when you need to see yourself. This is the main reason to use the front camera, where you can see yourself talking like this. But most of the time, when you want the best quality possible, use the 1x or 2x, and then that's it. Even not to use the ultra wide or the zoom, because those cameras usually they are less powerful. So here you have, that's the zoom. So this one is the zoom lens, and that's the main camera and the ultra wide camera. And there's always, if you're gonna clean it, some kind of microfiber cloth. The best ones are these for glasses. I have this one from sunglasses, and it might make it worse, but yeah, it could make it worse. Only the middle really matters. That's where the camera is. The rest is just a kind of design They like to make the camera islands here much bigger now to look like it's a more professional camera, but actually only the middle matters there. That's it. I hope this helps you. I hope this helps you switch between the selfie camera and the main camera and choose when you use the best quality. If you want the best quality for a selfie, you use the main camera like this 1x and then turn the phone around you. And for example, on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, there is a dedicated camera button, and most new phones, I believe, will have this camera button, so you can take a photo of yourself like this. So in this way you get the best quality possible. In this case, I'm not sure, but yeah, so let's see how much megapixels. Still 12. Okay, that's it. I hope this helps you switch between. I hope this helps you choose the lens, the front facing selfie lens or the main camera, or even the ultra wide and the zoom. Thanks for watching. The screen is getting dim when I use the camera. The phone gets a little bit warm and it doesn't show the highest brightness. It's on maximum brightness, but it keeps some kind of thermal control mode. It's some kind of thermal control mode or something like this. Thanks for watching. I have to let it cool down to get the maximum brightness.